Hello, my name is Fred. I've been working at Chamberlain since 2020 in the safety department. Today, we'll be showing you what you will need for installation of an electrical fence. Please take note, you will need an electrician to install this for you. We do not advise you to do it yourself. If you buy the starter kit, which is the easiest route, you will have your HT cable, your 4-core cable, your tensioners, and your electrical wire, followed by your stay brackets, your ferrules, your tensioner clips, and your lugs, with your gate connector and your danger signs, and your energizer. Outside of this, you'll also need your brackets. You have a square tubing angle bracket, which is strongest. You have the flat bracket, round bracket, and then to complement those, your stays. This gives stability. Also, what you'll need is your copper earth rod. These are all the things that you will need to buy from us, and will make it easy for your installer to install it. For any further advice or assistance, please visit us in any one of our 9 Chamberlain stores across Gauteng. Thank you for watching. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.